All right, doing a quick video here for the Z06. Got a new mod for the car, and if you saw the thumbnail, it is a carbon fiber engine cover. You can see the car is on a battery tender. It is pretty cold here in the Midwest right now. But anyway, I'll show you guys the cover here. It is from Extreme Online Store. Comes with the screws and hardware, everything you need. 2 screws for the front and 1 for each end here on the side. Nothing to take off the car, so it should be pretty quick putting this on there, maybe a minute or so. So I'll give you guys a close-up of it, a couple angles, before and after, with the hatch closed, open, just so you can really see what it looks like. Like I said, the piece comes with a Corvette emblem. If you want to place it here, you can go get your own if you want to get the carbon fiber one and put it on there. I'm going to keep it plain. I just like it carbon fiber. I feel like the car has enough Corvette emblems on it, so this is how I'm going to do it. So just to show you guys in the engine bay, this is where the 2 front screws go into. That's the rear. It's like I was saying, nothing to take off. You just place it on, screw it in. So it should take about a minute or so. Here it is on the car. When you're doing this, I do one side, put the bolt in, go to the other, and kind of stretch it over to the hole. It's got a little bit of flex to it, but it's a really snug fit. And that's it for the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If the video was helpful at all, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Always appreciate it. Thanks for watching.